Marami po ako nare-receive na message na hindi po nila ma-set up ang kanilang in-stream ads. Ganito daw po ang lumalabas.
Ito na, Lods. Pinutin ko itong setup. Then
Facebook
ito
is
na,
already paying
dito
you
na siya
on a
pupunta.
performance-based
Claim
payout
mo.
model, which means creators earn based
Then,
on the performance of
pagka-pindot
their
ko yan,
ad.
ito
You're
na.
invited to take advantage of this
Ito na
early
yun, lumabas,
access
Lods.
invitation to earn money on
Kaya na
new
siya lahat,
content
kaya
for
pababa.
Roblox. To get
Ibaba
started,
ko para
you
makita
sign
mo.
a new terms of
Kaya,
service and set up the payout account. Don't worry, you can use the same
Ayan,
back-end payment
ayan siya
info
hanggang baba.
today. Because
Kung mapapansin po natin, kapag pinindot na po nila yung setup ng in-stream ads, ang lumalabas na po dito ay yung video kung saan ipinapaliwanag yung tungkol sa content monetization tools. Dahil simula pa po noong October 4, wala na pong application ng in-stream ads. I think kaya lumabas yung setup ng kanilang in-stream ads dahil naabot nila yung 60k minutes. Since wala na, kailangan na lang natin gawin ay mag-file na lang tayo for content monetization tools. Mag-sign up na lang tayo, which is yun yung sinasabi dun sa video kapag sinet up po natin. Hintayin na lang po natin kung kailan tayo maaprubahan.